YouTubers, today we got a dog treat for y'all using one ingredient, sweet potato. These are great for their coats and their health. And all we need is a knife, a baking pan, and a cute cutting board. Georgia, y'all. So all you want to do is just kind of cut it into like thickish pieces. First piece is always going to be funky. Try to go for 1/8, but like I don't fully know how many people like use a ruler while cutting, so just kind of not like the whole potato, but enough to see kind of like potato skinny. What we're going to do is make jerky, basically, because we got our oven preheated at 300 degrees. And we're just going to cut these up safely. Some pieces are going to be bigger than others. And once they dry out, you can make them into smaller pieces. This is just so that it can properly dehydrate. Not probably. They will dehydrate. Cut. Hey Bridget, do you think he'll like them?
Maybe. He's really picky.
Okay. This one's mainly for doggies. We'll have to do a video sometime where we make some for doggies and kitties. That looks so cool. Like, this looks like it's just pretty. And these are great for dogs that have bad teeth or like weak teeth, because it's going to be nice and soft for them. I'm not going to cut my thumb. I see that the thumb and the knife are getting closer to proximity. How do you say that word? Do you know how to say that word, Bridget? I don't either. I have a really hard time saying that word when you have like a bunch of trees and it's a place where they grow. It starts with an O. How do you say that word, Bridget? Orchard? Orchard? Can you say it, Bridget?
Not now.
It's kind of like when someone tries to say aluminum and they say they can't say aluminum. Let's see. It's being a little difficult near the end. So I'm just going to do it like this. And these can last up to 2 weeks after you make them. I would put them like in a Ziploc baggie. There we go. That's just going to be funky. Just going to place it on our parchment paper. And this is a really good, like under $1 treat. Okay, so when you have them all chopped up, it's time to put them in the oven for 25 minutes. And then we'll flip them over. See you then. Are you ready for your treats? You see them cooking? Are you excited? You just gotta wait a little bit and then you can have some. Okay, so in 25 minutes. Oh, let's get scared reaching over an oven. And what you gotta do is get some tongs. Helps if I put a hand on it. And just flip them over. See how it's juicy on that side? I'm just going to change it so the air's exposure is on a different side. There we go. And then they're going to cook for 25 more minutes. Just trying to get all the moisture out of these at a slow rate. And we'll stick them back in and we'll see y'all in 25 minutes. Okay, sweet potatoes are done. Look at them all dehydrated. Let's see if Bjorn likes it. Bjorn! Let's try a little piece for him. Soften up the break. Bjorn! Here you go. You like it? He likes it! Yay! Well, is it too big? There you go. Well, thanks for watching and subscribe. Bye.